What makes something feel alive? We wanted to try to start from the parts, over 100 precision components. First, her eyes. 2 independent LCD displays. She won't show a pair of eyes, she'll truly have them. Then her ears. A linkage mechanism driven by a motor, letting her express emotion through the smallest motion. Next, her arms. The same linkage mechanism behind every wave, every gesture, engineered down to the last detail. Then her base, turning her a full 360 degrees to find you when you speak. 8 touch sensors hidden beneath her fur. A high-fidelity microphone array to catch your every word. And finally, her brain, an onboard AI chip, a high-performance processor with its own thermal system. Every reaction, every mood will begin right here.